I'm Mihaela Barta and I'm studying economics and finance at UCD. In secondary school, I was really interested in maths. I really loved the logic behind it, but I knew I didn't want to go into mathematical research. I was also interested in financial markets, and I thought that a career in finance would be very lucrative. So when I looked at economics and finance, it seemed like the perfect course for me. It seemed like the course that would equip me with the quantitative skills that employers would look for. And UCD is overall a globally renowned school. Economics and finance is a blended course between finance modules and very quantitative heavy modules such as statistical modeling, mathematics modules such as advanced calculus and differential equations. In first year, we develop a fundamental understanding of these concepts that we would need later on, such as calculus, and then we do microeconomics. Then we do things like business and society, corporate finance. Then when we move on to second year, we go a bit further and we apply this knowledge to real world problems that businesses and real policymakers would face. In final year, after we have an idea of what we're really interested in, we can choose to specialize in finance, economics, or mathematics and statistics. When I first joined the Queen School, I was actually surprised by the amount of support and the amount of opportunities that the faculty at Queen organizes for students. There's so many opportunities and support just outside of academia. So many international opportunities to go abroad and either do an exchange or become involved in international experiences. In second year, in my second semester, I was actually involved in an exchange abroad. I went to Canada at the University of Toronto and spent a semester there. Given the fact that UCD has these relationships with these top-rated colleges around the world, it's really such an experience to go to such a prestigious college and have it on your CV. In third year, you can choose to do a year-long internship ranging from 9 to 12 months in a company that is in partnership with Quinn. So the company I'm currently interning with is KKR. It's such a renowned name that when you put it on your CV and you apply to other jobs, other employers are so amazed by the fact that as an Irish student, you get to do a whole year of interning with this company. So I've actually gone an internship for next summer in New York. Culture and the people around Queen and UCD overall, it's just, there's so many wonderful people who you have so much to learn from, especially people in your own course. There's actually quite a lot of clubs and societies, and some that I'm involved in are Belfield Strategy Group, which is the official consulting group in UCD. Then there is the Investors and Entrepreneurs Society, which is one of the bigger ones. I think overall this course, it's really prestigious all over Ireland, and employers would know about the course. So they would know that if you're an economics and finance student, you would be equipped with the necessary quantitative skills that they would require. So it's a really huge asset to be a student of economics and finance. If I had any advice for prospective students currently in secondary school, I would say you really don't need to have a career figured out. You don't need to know what you're going to go into for the rest of your life before you come to college. I would say maybe have a look at the subjects that you're doing in secondary school and see what you're enjoying and what you could possibly enjoy in college.